Thank you for tuning in, guys, and today we are working on my C30, and basically what we're going to do is be installing a new master cylinder. So the first thing you want to do is pop your hood. We got Tony, he's going to go ahead and pop the hood. Anyway, guys, I done had the old master cylinder off, so I'm going to show you a fast way to remove it. Basically what you want to do is remove your bolt here. You got a bolt on this side. But you need to remove them 2 bolts. I think it was a 5/8. And then you can undo these 2 lines right here that's connected here. And once you get that, you will have a bracket right here that just slides straight off. You can use a little one-way or something to wiggle it and get it off, and then your master cylinder will come straight off. Now, the next thing you want to do is install your master cylinder. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and put you some anti-seize here and here. It's not required, but I prefer to keep stuff from sticking. That's what we done there. Now you can take your new master cylinder and install it the same way it came off. Just like so. Put your bracket on it. Sometimes you have to tap it a little with a hammer, but it will go. We'll watch Tony install it here. Tony's having a little difficulty inside the you getting my window dirty.
I made it get muddy. Yeah, I'm getting inside the engine bay.
And once you get it started, you can take a little hammer and just tap the sides, and it will go right on.
Right on.
Just like so. And now once you get it started, you pretty much your bolt will pour it on top. So next thing Tony will need to do is we install the 2 bolts. That's somewhere hidden down here amongst all the other brake fluid that we got to use. There you go. Magnetic trays or sandwich bags helps keep up with bolts. Do a better job than we do. Do as we say, not as we do, they say. And now you want to snug this side up, then snug that side up, then tighten both of them. Because if you get it in a bind, it can crack your master cylinder, and then you'll be pretty well up shit creek without a paddle. Being up shit creek without a paddle sucks, folks.
That it does. Get the wrench laying there for it?
That was probably on the intake. Oh, a tip. Don't put shit on your intake if you ain't got cold weight on it, because shit can fall down inside your intake, and that's a big no-no.
Big no-no. But we got
stuff on our intake, so yeah.
So we good.
Now I know what you're saying. They installed the master cylinder before bench breeding it. No, we actually gonna bench breed it on the vehicle. It takes 2 people this way, but it's actually easier for me to do it this way. I prefer to do it this way. You can get inside, mash the pedal while someone puts the hoses into the master cylinder. Yeah. Watch and find out. Okay. Then we need to open this up and find the right fittings. If Tony don't open them and make them go everywhere, like he usually loses all kinds of stuff.
That wasn't me. That was, what's his name? What you expect?
Huh. He got lucky.
I just know what I'm doing. Know what I'm doing. Now just get the other one out of here. Come on.
We're waiting, Tony. We're waiting. Is that the right one? Did he get it right, folks?
Should have, but I don't think
nope.
so.
I think it's smaller than this.
Smaller?
Yep.
So it would be this one.
I don't know how you get that one right in the first place, but you did.
Lucky guess. I'm guessing it's not chair.
Is it? Oh, he got it, folks. Second try. Next, you will want to connect some hose. You can use your black hose that's provided. When it quits blowing bubbles, you can pretty well call it good to go. So, next you can put your provided hoses onto the provided fittings that fits your master cylinder. Just like so. Tony can get it to go. Of course he can. And then you can top your new master cylinder off with fluid.
Do the big one first.
Okay, now Tony can get inside. And I can make sure these stay in here.
If I can get back out of here.
True, if Tony can get back out.
Ain't young like I used to. Oh, oh.
Go, Tony, go.
Young like I used to be, boss.
Anyway, you want to keep these guys in here, and you want to make sure all the air bubbles come out.
Still pumping?
Yep, you can pump it. Pump it slow, it does better. And as you can see, we got all the air bubbles coming out. And you will want to do is to you pretty well stop getting bubbles. It can take up to quite a bit of pumps, so you might be here a while. So just keep going till all the bubbles stops. Now guys, once you get it bled, you can pretty well go ahead and hook your lines back up. And if you just took your old one off and you put this in it, you shouldn't have to bleed your brakes. You shouldn't now, but sometimes you do. So hopefully this video, you found it very helpful. If you did, drop a like, leave us a comment in the comment section below, and we'll see you next time.